Hello friends, my name is Joy. I'm from Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. I own a restaurant over here named The Red Pepper. It's a new restaurant and I was needing a billing software for the restaurant. Through YouTube videos I got to know about Raintech POS. Now the Raintech POS software has been installed in my system. I've been using it for the past 1 month and I have to say that I've absolutely loved it. It's very easy, very intuitive. You can edit menu through the database very easily. You can add your own database. You can keep stock of your ingredients and it's a very good software. Let me show you how it works. You see there are options for table booking, takeaway, home delivery. Now I use fast billing because it's the most easiest and the most fastest method for my use. As you can see, I have made menu sections over here, and when I click on any section it gives me the choice of all the menu items that I have. You can add or delete any items that you want, and the system is connected to my thermal printer. And for an example, if you click on menu item, it shows over here. You can add the number of items over here, or you can delete it. You can remove the entire item, and once you're satisfied with an item, you can save the item over here. It will give you an option to print as well. So when you click on yes, the item will be printed through the thermal printer. Yeah, as you can see, this is the format of the billing that I get. You can add your GST number, your phone number as well. I thank Raintech POS for providing me with the software. It's very enjoyable to use, and it makes my life much more easier because I have all the database and the backups of the software on the system, so I don't have to go writing every billing and everything in the notebook. It's all stored here. Thank you.